what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to install your valve with I got here a 5/8 socket on an extension, and yeah, really simple. First you got to stick something on the bottom so the valve doesn't move. You stick the retainer clips on like that. I love it when people, just like that. Put a piece of plastic over it. And boom, just like that.